So PPSSPP is a very popular PlayStation P emulator that a lot of people have downloaded and used, but you may have never used it before. So I'll go and show you exactly how to go through and basically use it. Number one, this is what the application looks like. So whether you have an iPhone, an Android, iPad, whatever it is, even on PC, you can download the PPSSPP emulator. So start off by going through and downloading this particular emulator. After you do that, it'll go and bring you into your standard PSP, PPSSPP display. So when you first open it up, it's going to ask you to choose where to keep your PSP data. So you can create or choose a PSP folder, or you can skip it for now. Usually what I recommend doing is actually creating a folder. So you can click on OK, and it's going to ask you to make a folder. Now, choose a folder if you've already created one. Go ahead and put it in a folder specifically for your games and ROMs and all that stuff. If not, you can post it in like your downloads folder for now or something like that, but I'd recommend creating a whole different folder. So in this case, we can just use a folder like this. If you can't use that one, maybe find a different type of folder, and if you can't use that one, then you find a different one. But I would recommend making a PSP folder of some sort. So once you create a folder, you're basically going to be good to go. So now it's going to kind of confirm what you just kind of said, as well as how much free space you have, and then you can click on OK. Then when you're on this page, you can basically start to load up your games. So if you want to find a game and load it up, you can tap on Browse right here, and it will open up that folder that we just opened up to, and you can find your games that way. Now, you can also load all your previous games by just tapping on this Games section right here, and it will load up all the games you already have, and any homebrew and demos that you have too. All your recent games will show up inside of Recents as well. Now you can tap on Load right here if you want to go and again load into a game or load into your file. That's the other option you have. Under Settings, you can tap right over here, and you can find all the different types of settings options that you basically have here. So from here, you can kind of change things around. You can kind of edit things around here or there too. And that's another really cool thing you can kind of edit up and adjust. So there's a lot of cool little improvements that you can do. PSP is awesome, PPSSPP is awesome, but that is at a high level, primarily how you kind of end up using it. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.